Hello students, I hope you are doing well. This video will help you to prepare your research methodology file, which is one of the important points for your income examination because external viva will be conducted for the same, and at that point of time you need to submit your research methodology file. This file is important for all the previous students of GGSIP University, Delhi, India. For the purpose of preparing the research file, you need to select one topic of interest so that you can do research on that specific topic. For that purpose, select a broad area and then define it to choose one specific topic out of that broad area with respect to your own area of interest. After selecting that topic, start working on writing the introduction in 3 to 4 pages. After writing introduction, you are required to study what other researchers have already done in your field. That means, depending upon your research topic, you need to download minimum of 15 research papers and analyze what they have done. And that analysis is nothing but empirical literature review. That literature review needs to be done in tabular format. First one will be serial number, then we need to mention the name of the author, then research title. These details you can get from the research paper, and then research methodology. It includes what researcher has used and how researcher has collected data. What is their sampling design? What is their sampling technique? What was their sample size? Which tool and technique they have used to analyze that data? Then data analysis, how the researcher has analyzed his or her data, then the major findings of the research paper, and lastly, conclusion of the research paper. What researcher concludes after doing his or her own research. I would appreciate if you study one research paper in one go and then after closing that research paper, you type all the content in the respective field in your own words because it will help you to understand the basic concept of review of literature and will protect you from plagiarism. For that purpose, you are required to review the literature of minimum 15 research papers related to your own research topic. For example, if you are studying about consumer perception, then you need to download minimum of 15 research papers on consumer perception and then analyze those research papers on these 7 headings. After writing introduction for 3 to 4 pages and going for extensive literature review, you need to frame the objective. Objective should be in line with the title of the research project, and you can find out the objectives depending upon the gap that you have analyzed in previous researches through your literature review. After defining objectives, you need to prepare questionnaire. So you need to frame questions depending upon your title and objectives of your own research. Questionnaire should include minimum of 10 questions, including demographic variables like age, gender, occupation, income that you ask in the form of questions. Once questionnaire is framed or drafted, you need to prepare the same questionnaire on the Google form using your Gmail account. And you can share it with the respondent in order to collect sample of minimum responses. Herein, I will be showing you a screenshot of the responses that I have collected using my research topic. Herein, I am having name, age, gender, income. These are the questions that I have asked from my respondents. Now, since we know computer system never understands symbols or alphabets, to analyze the data, I need to code it in the form of numbers. Now you would be having a Google spreadsheet of your responses which you are required to code using data validation. Data validation can be understood through this spreadsheet again. So this is the Excel sheet that is available. This is the Excel sheet that I have downloaded from Google only. The Google form gives you responses in the form of Excel sheet that you can download from the file menu. Go to download as Excel and this Excel will open to your computer desktop. First column depicts name. Since I do not require name, instead of that I can type serial number. And serial numbers, I'm just assigning random numbers to my responses. 1, I will type 1 again. I'll go to 1 again. I'll go to on the home tab. See, it is pretty clear. Fill is available. I'll go to series. I need numbers in columns. Let's say my responses are 80. You may have 50 responses, so you can type stop value as 50. Okay. Automatically, numbers will be assigned instead of name. For the purpose of data validation, I'll go to age. I need to validate age. Data validation is nothing but I'm assigning code. For example, if I taken less than 18 as one of the class interval for age, 18 to 24, 24 to 30, and 30 above. For that purpose of data analysis, I require them to assign some numbers. Let's say I'll assign 1 to less than 18, 2 to 18 to 24, 3 to 24 to 30, and so on. For that purpose, I need to select my data. Once I will be selecting my data, I will go to data tab. After going to data tab, data validation is available. I'll click on data validation. I need these numbers as whole numbers. Between, I'll assign minimum as 1, maximum as 4. Then I'll go to input message. I'll type title as age. 1 is for less than 18, 2 is for 18 to 24, 3 is for 24 to 30, and 4 is for more than 30. Then alert message, if by mistake I type 5 or any other number beyond 1 to 4, a pop-up message will appear that is kindly recheck. I'll press OK. Now I will show you how to code this data. For the purpose of coding the data, I hope it is pretty clear. This box is available at each cell. 24 to 30 is written. I'll type 3 here. 24 to 30, 3 again. 18 to 24, 2. 24 to 33. Let's say by mistake I type 7. Let's see what happens. It will show a message kindly recheck. Even if I'll keep on trying it again, any number beyond 1 to 4 will show this message again and again, kindly recheck. So I'll cancel. For 24 to 30, I'll type 3. For 24 to 30, I'll type 3 again. So in this way, you can complete the entire coding. I would appreciate if you delete those columns or those questions for which data analysis could not be possible. For example, if I ask one question, do you know any of the below mentioned companies which are using guerrilla marketing? This questionnaire was prepared to analyze the consumer behavior regarding guerrilla marketing. Several companies were listed wherein respondents were required to check those companies, whether those companies have used guerrilla marketing or whether those respondents are aware if those companies have used guerrilla marketing in near future or past. So I cannot do data analysis for such sort of questions. I would appreciate to delete such questions then. For the purpose of preparing charts, I need to prepare one pivot table for the same. For example, I'll be preparing chart for gender. I will select gender in the entire column of gender. I'll go to insert. I'll go to pivot table. I need responses in new worksheet. Automatically the selected portion will be depicted here. Okay, I'll check on gender and the same value. See, row labels male female are available to you, and same values I will be clicking it here in the form of value. So in my study I have collected data from 41 females and 39 males, and for the purpose of preparing charts, what I'll do, I'll select the responses, female and male and their count. I'll press Alt F1. Another way of doing so, you can select it and you can go to insert a pie. See, the pie will be available to you. Here total is coming, so you can click on it and you can rename it to gender. Blue represents female, red represents male. I hope it is pretty clear how to prepare chart, how to code your data through data validation. So now we have understand how to code data using data validation technique. Now we have also understood how to prepare charts and graphs using insert tab or through Alt plus F1 shortcut key. Now you are required to prepare charts and graphs of all the questions that you have asked in your questionnaire. Thank you so much students and all the very best for your entrance examination. Kindly start working on preparing your research methodology file. Good luck and goodbye.